Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. This is the bonus lecture for you, especially designed to making in CSS external file. So the linking of external CSS file very easy and super easy. To making external means these file you can call it as any HTML page to applying the same CSS style or ID class or any independent codes you can apply directly from one page to all your entire site by calling the external CSS. How simple it is, we'll see. By seeing the same example, here it is there, here it is a written internal CSS and we have applied the classes over here. So what I am trying to doing, I am preparing new CSS external CSS form. So the external CSS form by creating file, new file and file save it as like a file save as you take like a original orginal dot extension for CSS is dot CSS. Original.css. I am preparing a file called CSS file. I am creating first. Okay, the path is same HTML project only. See, desktop HTML project. So save it. Now see, HTML, it's a file is created. What I am trying to doing, just I am taking these style tags to taking cut from here and I'm adding into my CSS. So save it. All the internal CSS what I have prepared, I am putting into the single page which is called original.css, my style sheet page. So I have added here. So what I am doing, if I am verifying this page, will it be applied for these styles, normal, italic, oblique? No. Let's say check it, refresh, it won't be. The same common font it is displaying. So it's not applied here. So how to call the external file? How to call the external file is a very super easy. See, anyhow we have a style tag here, open and closing style script. Instead, inside this, what we will try to written here, even I'll remove this one also. I'll making the link using the link 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 tag. Yes, see, take the link tag and press tab. You will written defaultly Sublime Text Editor. So link relative to style sheet, rel attribute will tell that related to style sheet. Type is text CSS. Href means hypertext reference. It will asking me the reference. What is the reference page? See, this original.css is the reference page. So put the name of the file or specify the path till where the file is located in your system, like original.css. Okay, now save it. Anyhow we have already applied the classes and all, and these classes are available inside the file of original.css. We are giving the link to the external file to invoking, and we are importing the functionality to this particular HTML page. Now check it, reload it, something is wrong. So save it, refresh the page, not applied. So let me check. Original ORI is not there. ORGINAL file name. Let's check. Save it, reload. Wow, it is applied. So it is the font sizes are changed. So very simply you can prepare all the styles at the single page in an external like a common CSS. From here you can take a reference to the any HTML page by writing inside the header tag this link item of the CSS file, and these classes directly you can apply straight away. You can write the class names. It will be automatically read by the common page. So most of your time will be saved. Most of anywhere it may be body change, h1 tag change, anything you can write there. Like for an example, if we want to write in a body, see, I'm taking body background color, I'm changing body and background color to be like which color I can change, yellow. Let's see, save it. Very simple property. I'm not taking very big, it's a very simple property. So save it, reload. Wow, entirely the background is applied. How simple it is. So this way, if you need any div tag or any ID, you can create here and apply at the same HTML elements. So this is the common for all the pages, and if you are created for about or contact any other pages, you simply call this line. You take this line, take a copy and paste. If your file is not in the main directory, if it is a CSS directory, all you need to put like path is ///css// put the name of the file. That's it. This is the way you can specify the file name. You will get it and you will read it. Alright. I hope it's very simple. Thank you. Thank you for watching.